This is a video on how to replace your LED board. As you can see, I got a few that is out, and this side is good all the way. You're gonna want to remove these, this, probably it, and then you're gonna pull this back. For this, you'll just twist it off to the left, hold on right here on the other side, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are 8 millimeters. And then you just take off these clips, and then it should just pop right out. As you can see, it pushes right out. Note, the only thing this will work for, if you cut the brackets off the headlight, like I did, you do not have to remove the bumper. But if you did not cut the brackets off, or the little mounting thing, you will have to remove the bumper, which is our screws here, and you will just pry this up. But since I already cut my tabs off, I don't need to remove the bumper on it. And the wishes are just these tabs right under here. Next, you're going to want to remove the 4 screws. One here, took this one out already, and here. And this white part should pop off. You just got to get off these tabs right here on each side. After you remove this, you just pry it up and it'll pull out. There's just this tab right there. You're just going to remove the white thing. Just be careful. After you went ahead and remove it, so this is how it's going to look, just like this, and then the wire just hangs there. As you're replacing like your whole entire headlight and you don't come with an LED board, you'll just take this off, take this little clip off with it. But I'm just replacing the LED board, so I just plug it in, the new one, and put it right back in. Make sure you do have, the gasket that goes around this, just because that prevents the moisture and you do not want, anything messing up on this. After you got the new one in, just repeat the process, put the bolts in, bolt it back up. We'll put the clips in, make sure it works first, and then bolt it back up. So I'm gonna bolt everything up and see how it come out. Alright, so I have everything in. I didn't bolt it in yet. I'm just gonna test it out, make sure it works. So here it is. Yep, as you can see now, all of them is lit up. Before these two were out before, you can see in the beginning of the video. Now they all are working, and it's got daylight, so you can't really tell. Sitting with this side. Alright, time to bolt everything back, put this back on, and you're good to go.